Nebraska Representative Don Bacon is calling on Congress to reject a proposal involving nursing. The U.S. Department of Education plans to remove the profession from the definition of a professional degree. This means nursing students would not have access to higher loan limits. Health groups, including the Nebraska Hospital Association, fear this will only worsen the state and national nursing shortage.
I agree with the concerns. People need loans. We should be able to, and this is very much necessary. So I guess to your point, I agree with you. And I think the Congress should push back. We could probably initially write a letter or as one way, but also through the president and give our feedback through the speaker and push back on this. Or we may have to do this legislatively if need be. But I would support efforts to restore the status quo there.
The Nebraska Hospital Association says 73 of Nebraska's 93 counties have a below average nurse to patient ratio. 9 counties have no registered nurses at all.